Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a truly spectacular night. The QLife Filipinas Grand Gala, celebrating health, wealth, and triumph.
At ngayon, nandito tayo, isang pamilya, isang lumalaking community na may isang layunin.
Dapat may loyalty kayo. Bakit? Dahil pag kayo ang promaydor sa sarili niyong produkto at sarili niyong kampanya, babalik agad sa inyo yan.
Tonight is your night. Let us remember, QLife Filipinas is not just a business. It is a family, a purpose, and a cause.
Alagaan mo sa QLife Filipinas, siguradong panalo. Quantum Plus, Miramin Q Plus, lakas ng katawan, protection, sigla, di ka iiwan. Your daily defense for a healthier tomorrow. Kalusugan ay alagaan, so good health will follow. Energy booster, detox power, Quantum Plus and Miramin Q Plus ang sagot. Every minute, every hour. Formulated ng Pinay na doktor, para sa pamilyang masigla at sigurado ang health armor. Galing ng perlas ng silanganan, Quantum Plus at Miramin Q Plus ang bit-bit. Laban ng buhay, panalo ka dyan. Your daily defense for a healthier tomorrow.
QLife Filipinas!
Huwag nang ipagpabukas to. Quantum Plus at Miramin Q Plus, sa puso at katawan, kalusugan, sigla sa atin yan.
Ang QLife Filipinas for me is a mission. It is a place where hope is restored. Ang confidence natin ay naitatayo ulit at nakakapagpabago po ng buhay.
Hindi ko po maiwasang balikan kung paano po nagsimula ang lahat. Isang vision, isang pangarap, balang araw, makakapag-create po tayo ng isang company na mag-empower sa mga ordinary Filipinos.
This year has been a remarkable journey for our QLife Filipinas. We introduced more people to wellness. We opened more doors of opportunity, and we proved that with teamwork, integrity, and purpose, there is nothing we cannot achieve.
Para sa akin, ang QLife ay quality life.
Through Quantum Plus, I learned that a good health is the foundation of a better life.
QLife Filipinas for me is a life-changing company for all Filipino people.
QLife Filipinas is a company with a heart that cares for the well-being of the Filipinos. It brings not just wealth, but also health.
Stay being innovative. Stay united because you know the best is yet to come.
We have raised the bar and your hard work has paid off spectacularly. We can't wait to share this experience with you.
Congratulations sa ating lahat. This is only the beginning. QLife Filipinas.
To a future filled with health, wealth, and limitless opportunities. Cheers to us. QLife Filipinas, mabuhay!